Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to our channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. So today we are going to be discuss regarding the job openings on ServiceNow developer. So let us go through the first job opening here. So coming to the first job opening, position would be senior ServiceNow developer and location is remote location, and they are looking for 5 to 10 years of experience, and they are also looking for a new joiner, or 15 days they are giving as a notice period. So this is the job description here, like functional knowledge of CSM modules of ServiceNow and development experience with SOAP, REST API, scripting with ServiceNow, and business rules, client script, UI policies. So UI actions and UI pages. Script includes access control list, etc. So these are all the main responsibilities, like functional understanding of open frame CTI technology, functional understanding of NOW experience UI framework, and functional understanding of JMS integrations, and functional understanding of internationalization I18N. So certification would be like CSA and CAD, CIS or CSM, any of these modules. So flexible working hours to work either in AP, US time zone, depending on the project needs. So if you are interested and if you are open for this job opening, so you can send your resumes to this mail ID, like balkis.rani@alphanext.tech. So coming to the next job opening here, so role would be ServiceNow developer, and skill set is ServiceNow admin, ServiceNow discovery, CMDB, MID server installation. So these are all the major skills they are looking for, and they're expecting 3 to 6 years of experience from the candidate. So location would be Bangalore and Chennai location they are offering for, and this is the notice period, like immediate joiner or 15 days they are going. So these are all the major roles and responsibilities here, like experience designing and developing, maintaining CNDB and monitoring CNDB, and hands-on experience in implementing, managing ServiceNow discovery and other discovery tools such as CSM and Landsweeper, and experience configuring and managing service mapping and service graph connectors. So they are also looking for experience in with ServiceNow certificate management and ServiceNow CSA certification. They are expecting from the candidate. So if you have these skills and if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to stravani.k@valuesoftinfo.com, or else you can follow Konnampangari Stravani and you can send your resumes to her directly. So coming to the next job opening here, role would be ServiceNow technical consultant, and location is remote location they are offering for, and they are expecting 7 to 12 years of experience from the candidate, and job would be .NET developer, and location is Calgary, 5 days on site. So if you have these skills, like if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to amulya@cymaths.com. So coming to the next job opening here, ServiceNow developer, role would be ServiceNow developer, and minimum 7+ years of experience that candidate should have in ServiceNow development, and must have significant experience with FSM and the agent mobile application, and must be US person, like capable of obtaining suitability clearance, and must be capable of writing extraordinary best practice complaint and performance code, and be able to review other team members code of areas of improvement. So CSM and custom integrations, performance analysis and report building they are looking for. So you can send your resumes to Tim Woodruff by following him. Didn't given any mail IDs here, so you can send your resumes to him directly by following. So coming to the next job opening, role would be ServiceNow ITOM developer, and experience is 12 years of experience they are expecting from the candidate. And these are all the like job description: experience in implementation of ITOM solutions using industry best practices. Hands-on development includes creation, configuration, and customization of patterns, discovery schedules, props, sensors, and event roles. So experience in implementation of ServiceNow discovery, service mapping, and event management, and third party software integrations with ServiceNow, and experience in multiple ServiceNow implementations. So these are all the major responsibilities that candidate should have. So if you have these skills and if you are interested for the job opening, so you can send your resumes to fruitansolutions.com, or else you can follow her, like you can follow Sri Chandana Garkipati, and you can follow you can send your resumes to her directly. So coming to the next job opening, role would be senior ServiceNow developer, and so these are all the required skills like ServiceNow ITA, some certification, strong proficiency in JavaScript, familiarity with UI, SQL, HTML, and CSS, knowledge of XML and structured programming principles, and understanding of ITIL process, and experience in creating reports within the ServiceNow, experience with inbound and outbound data exchange between ServiceNow and other systems via REST and SOAP APIs. So if you have these skills and if you are interested for this particular job opening, you can send your resumes to Raj at the rate sfisoftwaresolutions.com, or else you can follow Kanta Rajkiran and you can send your resumes to him directly. So coming to the next job opening here, role will be ServiceNow developer with permanent position in Pan India location, and this is the job specification like skills required: ServiceNow developer, ITSM integration, scripting, any modules like HRSD, CSM, and GRC. Work experience would be 3 to 16 years of experience they are expecting from the candidate. If you have 3 to 16 years, you can be applicable for the job opening. So location would be Pan India location, and drive would be 20th February 2025. That is on Friday. So drive is on Friday. So you can send your resume if you are interested for the job opening. So you can send your resumes to Subba at the rate vysystem.com, or else you can follow him. So you can follow Subba Manival and you can send your resumes to him directly. So that's all for today's topic. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe our channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. Thank you.